Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends on Xbox Series S. Unfortunately, League of Legends is exclusively a PC game, meaning it is not natively available on any console, including the Xbox Series S. This guide will clarify why this is the case and offer insights into the game's platform design. We'll also explore other options for enjoying similar strategic gameplay on your console or PC. Stay tuned to understand the current gaming landscape for this title. League of Legends was developed from the ground up as a PC-exclusive title. Its intricate gameplay, precise targeting, and rapid command inputs are all optimized for the accuracy of a mouse and keyboard setup. Adapting such a complex control scheme to a console controller would require significant re-engineering, potentially altering the core gameplay experience. Riot Games has consistently maintained its focus on the personal computer platform for this particular game. While League of Legends isn't on Xbox, you can still find fantastic multiplayer online battle arena, or MOBA, experiences on your console. Games like Smite offer similar strategic team-based combat and are natively available on Xbox. You might also explore other real-time strategy titles available on the Xbox platform. Additionally, some cloud gaming services allow you to stream PC games, potentially including League of Legends, to your Xbox, though this requires a separate subscription and a strong internet connection. As of now, Riot Games has not announced any plans to bring League of Legends to console platforms like the Xbox Series S. The game's fundamental design and competitive ecosystem are deeply rooted in the personal computer experience. Therefore, for the authentic League of Legends experience, a PC remains the required platform. However, the Xbox offers a vast library of other engaging strategic and competitive games for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.